Okay, so welcome to another vlog.
Vamos a la Sierra de Pénjamo hoy.
We now eat here some eggs with some chorizo and some
Ponche.
yeah. Now we just stopped here on the road because it's not possible to go with this car here inside. It's the second try already that we do this. I mean, 2 years ago we also came.
They usually put these
No,
kind of
this.
stones around the hole.
These are here the original fire ants. Huh?
Yeah.
So we now just walk like 5 minutes. We get to the point where we've been 2 years ago already. But this time the tour guide knows where to go. It looks really nice. I'm not sure, I mean, yesterday it was raining. I mean, you see still a little bit here in the ground. I'm not sure, I think it's a little bit more green now also than last time. So we have now reached the entry of the real hiking path. There's also a car, don't know, probably we're not alone. We're now just standing here on a huge rock. Should not step too far down here. Here is another small cave that we're gonna check now. Or maybe how far we get around. It doesn't look like the path becomes better here. Yeah, that's crazy here, the smell of the plants too. I don't think.
What is this?
I don't know. Yeah, I wasn't sure if these are the small bees. So now, but when we get back now, the bottle should be full.
Nice.
And then we will see how it tastes, and maybe if we need. I hope we don't need it because I don't want to get diarrhea from this. Then the start, yeah. Yeah, it looks like here it's raining more here than there. That's crazy, the vegetation changed quite a lot since the start. Here in front of this huge rock, and there are many, I don't know if it's very small probably on the camera, but there are many bee houses or wasp houses. Someone took so much work to put this wall here. Wow. Yeah, it looks crazy here. So this huge wall, and here really there's just a huge orange tree.
Can you reach me this?
Well, you know I'm 2 meter 50, so it's no problem.
But with a stick.
Yeah. What do you say about it?
No, this here. This here is good. Oh, wow, mi amor, but no, I cannot reach. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, this.
Well, well, perfect.
This is perfect.
Oh, well, it's good. So now we have this. I think I never eat so fresh orange. So fresh from the tree, and it's really good. So, and here's the owner of this tree. Oh wow, there are many more trees. How you call this fruit?
Pomegranate, Granada.
Ah, okay, this I know.
Granada?
Yeah, but at first I didn't understand. But they're not good probably now. They should.
No.
We should come back 2 weeks maybe. Then
Oh, there is one that looks like more or less good. There on the other side.
here also everywhere this leaf cutting ants. There are huge streets of them. Perfect. It was open already, so it's probably good.
One.
And watching this view. Oh, you eat this? Oh, you also put them out, huh?
No, I eat them.
Oh, you eat them? Oh. This you eat, and from the watermelon is not. Okay.
You don't eat this?
I don't eat this fruit so often. You know why? You know why? What are these houses for?
Well, there is a virgin somewhere in the mountain. I mean, I don't know it's so exact where. There is people that walk here to go to see the Virgin and to ask for miracles and stuff like this. And sometimes they stay here. They sleep here. There are some covers inside, and they camp here around.
So we follow the path a little bit more. It's going a little bit down. Maybe there's another house. So down there is water already. Now we're on the way back.
Let's go.
We are back on the place of the bottle, and as you see, it's full.
Dejamos esta botella para que se llenara. Ahí en esa botellita de agua que está cayendo. En lo que íbamos a las cabañitas y así, ¿no? Vamos a probar.
So, I mean, looks very clean. I will try now.
I mean, it's good. Tastes good. It's from the mountain.
So now we also go to the big cave. So we're almost halfway back now, I think. We arrived, but we recognized already some meters before, because it smells really strong to butts shit. I mean, this is it's a huge cave. I mean, I don't see any so far, but the smell gets stronger. So getting now here inside to get the next coronavirus. Boy, it's crazy. I can barely breathe. It smells so bad. Yeah. For some meters outside the cave. Wow, it's crazy how the smell is there inside.